everybody, welcome back to another Michaela Brenton video. Hope you enjoy this video. Today we are doing some bath bombs. Make your own bath bombs. I got this kit from my grandma and grandpa's and we are going to do a few today. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to get 5 molds and some other things. You will not get gloves, so you need to get your own gloves. Okay, so let me put on my gloves. Okay, so we have our gloves on. We are going to need paper plate. We're going to make a pink, let me find the page, a pink bath bomb. So we need the color pink. This is the color pink. We have all these choices to do. We have pink, peach, buttercup, mint, light blue, and lavender. And we have regular colors, okay? We have our test water bucket right here. But we're not going to test it because after you finish making your thing, it's going to be sit it up like this. Sit it up like this after you make it, and you're going to let it sit there. And you're going to put it on your paper plate to last. So I'll tell you how to do that at the end. Okay, so we are going to need some white baking soda, so regular baking soda, some red baking soda, your molds. You are going to need, if you want, you can add some glitter. You're going to need some strawberry kiwi oil. It's more of a scent than an oil. You are going to have some glycerin. And you are going to have some citric acid. First thing we're going to do is we are going to make the color. So if we go to our color page here, it says, we're also going to need some tools like this, your spoon. Also going to need this, your spoon. And this just to flatten the top because your top has to be perfect. Okay, and might need a fork. Okay, so first thing we're going to need is 2 1/2 teaspoons of white. Okay, 2 1/2 teaspoons of white. So here is our white, and here, let me find it. 1/2 and 1 teaspoon. So that's right, 1/2 and 1 teaspoon. Okay. We are going to grab our nice round bowl here and put it on top of the paper plate. Next, we are going to do 1. See how it has that big clump at the top? We do not want that, so we're going to take this. It is an orange peeler. I just use it. And we're going to go like this, okay? Then we're going to put it inside. Again. 1. Now we're going to scrape it off and put it inside. Okay, that was 2. Next, we're going to do our 1/2. Okay, we're just going to tap them off and set them inside each other. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to look at our other color. Okay, so we need 1/2 teaspoon of red. Okay. So here's our red baking soda and our 1/2 teaspoon. Again, we're going to do a scrape. Again, we're going to do a scrape and set that in. So after you put in all of your ingredients, your bowl is going to look like a little like that, okay? So we're going to take a small spoon, like this one, and we are going to mix. So it may take a while. It'll take like 1 minute to do. Not even, a little less than 1 minute. Okay. After that, it's going to look like that. It looks nice. Okay. It's going to look into a pink. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a teeny tiny bit of glitter. Okay, so take your spoon and go like this. So you should only have about that much, okay? Next, we are going to mix that into it. Okay, so your thing should look nice and glittery now. Okay. After that, next thing we're going to do is we're flip to the page that says our surprise fizzies, but we're going to go to the one where it is a regular, oh wait, I know how to put it. Okay, so regular bath bomb. Now what we do is we add the glycerin, and we have to add, let's see how much glycerin we have to add. Baking soda, citric acid. So 4 1/2 of citric acid. If you have like a bullet or something, just toy bullet like this, stick it right in so you can keep your page, okay? So we are going to do 4 1/2 of citric acid. Okay, 4 1/2. We're going to grab this, and we are going to do 1. This one, basically, if you just shake it gently, you can actually get the thing. So you're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Next, we have to do 1/2. So we're going to take on 1/2. We're going to go scoop and 1/2. So that is 4 1/2. Next, we are going to go and we are going to do 1/2 teaspoon. So 1/2 teaspoon plus 2 drops of glycerin, strawberry kiwi scented, optional, okay? So we're going to do 1/2 of glycerin and 9 drops. 1/2. So there are 1/2. Pour that. Actually mixed before. I don't know why I did that. And 1 and 9. Okay, now mix. So don't add the glycerin until you mix it. I made a mistake there, but mix the citric acid. When you have to mix the citric acid with the color, the baking soda first, and then you put the glycerin in, okay? So that was, and my little secret here is you scoop it off so your thing is kind of clean, see? And what I do is your thing is going to look like a little lumpies, and you're going to take your hand, this hand or this hand, and you're going to go pick it up, let it fall, and just go like that and keep on doing that. So let's just keep on doing that. And it's going to look really well when you do it with your both hands. If you need to add at least 3 more drops of glycerin in. Don't let it pour, just 3 more drops, okay? 1, 2, 3. 3, okay? And then we're going to go back to mixing it. And it's going to feel nice, okay? And while you're mixing it, if you want, you can add the strawberry kiwi scent. It is going to say called strawberry kiwi oil. But I think we're going to do this one. So it's going to be like this, all nice and empty. So you squeeze this to get some air inside, okay? And then you put it in and pull it up, okay? You're going to do about 5 drops of this. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was 5 drops, okay? Next, we are going to mix it, keep on mixing it. And it's gonna smell, if you go up and go like this, it smells really nice, okay? Sorry, I'm not looking too good today, but. Okay, let's keep on mixing. Let me just. Okay, now here's a test you have to do. It is called the clump test. Oh, my finger looks bad. Yeah, it's called the clump test. You take a big handful of stuff like this, okay? And you go. And if it sticks like this, then you know it's ready, okay? Then you just twist it out and then mix it a little more. Then do the test one more time. You just have to do a little bit. It's not all going to be in your hand, but see, it's like a clump. So you're going to flatten it out again. And if you get some on your thing. Okay, that smells really nice. Now what you're going to do is you are going to do this one. So I actually have an idea. So we're going to do pink and blue one today. And I made a blue one, but it never really got finished. So we're going to finish that blue one together. Next, if there's going to be a little more that you have to take into your hand and take it and put it on top of your thing, okay? See? So it's going to be full just like that, okay? So I actually have a blue that was never finished right here, okay? And we're going to do the clump test. Just look at this. Not clumpy at all, okay? So we are going to pour it into the small bowl. If you have a little extras, just put it in a little container. We're going to pour it into the small bowl, okay? Now I don't think it got its right things it needed, so we're going to go like this. Take off the lid first. I almost made a mistake there. And we're gonna go like this. We're gonna pour it in. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're just gonna do 10 after we do that. So next we're going to put it back on the bowl We're gonna go mixy, mixy, mix, okay? We're just gonna keep on doing that. And you're gonna take your 2 fingers and you're gonna go like that, okay? Then you're gonna mix and mix and mix, okay? Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. This smells really good, like really good. Okay, let's do the clump test. Have our clump. Perfect. Next, now, we're going to grab this, our mold, other side of the mold, and we are going to pour all of this in. Okay, our mold is almost finished. Okay, perfect. So we have 2 molds. We have a pink one and a blue one. Next, we are going to go like this and set it and squeeze. So we're going to squeeze it just like this. Okay. And we are going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Do not use it right away though. So we're going to scrape off the sides and then we're going to do the thing. Now we're going to let it S-I-T, which means sit. Okay. And we're going to go over and we're going to go a timer. We're going to do it for 5 minutes. And we're going to start. During those 5 minutes, I'm going to show you guys a really cool experiment. So let me set the excess into this little container right here, okay? So here is our water, okay? And I'm gonna set you guys like this so you guys can see. And this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, I have it on the paper plate too. And we're gonna go like this, ready? So watch the water. See how it fizzes up? So once you do your bath bomb, actually do your bath bomb, that's what's gonna happen, okay? And if you stick your fingers in it to get it to go off, yeah, it'll turn really nice. So the water doesn't look great. That's because I did another experiment with it before. I had made my first yay. I made my first yay, and it had turned orange, which was, it was supposed to be turning pink, but it turned out what it was meant to be. It was gonna let go. Okay, so we have 4 minutes left, and I'm going to let that sit for the 5 minutes. You take off the, after that, you take off the stuff, one side, okay? Take off one side. So you have to hold it for 5 minutes. I forgot about that part. Yeah, but you're going to let it, you're going to hold it for the 5 minutes so the pressure, it can go together. And I think we're going to do it for an extra minute, but after you take one of the sides off, so I'm going to take the blue side off, and we take one of the sides off, okay? And after we do that, we are going to, after you do that, you are going to let it sit for 4 days. On the 4th day, you have to wait till the next morning. Then you can take it out and use it as your bath bomb. But I would recommend you get like a little basket or something and then let it sit for those 4 days, okay? Thank you guys for watching my video, and bye. Oh yeah, subscribe everyone. Bye.